When it comes to upgrading your home's windows, choosing the right window replacement company is crucial. Not only does a reliable company ensure that your new windows are installed correctly, but they can also help you select the best windows for your needs, improve your home's energy efficiency, and enhance its curb appeal. If you live in West Columbia, the process of selecting a trustworthy window replacement company may seem overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Here are some tips to help you choose the best company for your window replacement project. Do your research. The first step in finding the best window replacement company in West Columbia is researching your options. Start by looking up window companies in your area and reading customer reviews on platforms like Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau. Customer feedback provides valuable insights into the company's level of service, professionalism, and product quality. Look for companies with positive reviews and a strong reputation in the community. Also, check if the company has accreditations and is a member of local or national industry organizations such as the National Association of the Remodeling Industry, NARI, or the Better Business Bureau, BBB. These affiliations indicate that the company follows industry standards and provides quality service. Experience and expertise. When it comes to window replacement, experience matters. Choose a company that has been in the business for several years and has a proven track record of successful installations. An experienced company will be more likely to handle unexpected challenges that may arise during the replacement process, ensuring that the job is completed properly and efficiently. Ask the company about its experience with different types of windows, such as double-hung, casement, sliding, or energy-efficient windows. A company with expertise in a wide range of window types can help you select the right window for your home and your budget. Get multiple quotes before committing to a window replacement company in West Columbia. It's always a good idea to get multiple quotes. Contact at least 3 companies to request written estimates for the cost of materials, installation, and any additional services. Keep in mind that the lowest bid may not always be the best choice. Compare the estimates based on factors such as the quality of materials offered, the company's warranty and guarantee, the scope of the project, and any extra fees. This will help you get a sense of the fair market price for your window replacement and allow you to make an informed decision. Check for proper licensing and insurance. One of the most important things to consider when hiring a window replacement company is whether they have the proper licensing and insurance. In West Columbia, companies working on residential properties should have both state or local licensing. This ensures that the company is legally permitted to perform window replacement services in your area. Insurance. The company should carry general liability insurance and workers' compensation insurance to protect you in case of damage to your property or accidents during installation. Before signing a contract, always ask to see the company's license and insurance certificates. This will provide peace of mind and protect you from potential liability. Ask about the warranty. A reliable window replacement company should offer a warranty on both the products they install and their labor. The warranty ensures that you are protected against defects or installation issues after the project is completed. Inquire about the length of the warranty and what it covers. A reputable company will provide a comprehensive warranty that includes protection against manufacturing defects and issues with the installation. This is an important factor to consider, as you want to be confident that your new windows will perform as expected for years to come. Assess customer service and communication. Good communication is key when working with any service provider. Pay attention to how responsive and transparent the company is when you reach out for a quote or with questions. A professional company will provide clear, detailed answers to your questions and keep you informed throughout the process. Look for a company that listens to your needs, offers expert advice, and communicates any potential challenges or delays. The best window replacement companies will be friendly, honest, and helpful from the initial consultation to the completion of the project. Evaluate the installation process. The quality of the installation is just as important as the quality of the windows themselves. Ask potential companies about their installation process and how long it will take. A professional company should have certified installers who are trained to handle the specific windows you've chosen and will install them according to manufacturer guidelines. Find out whether the company provides a cleanup service after installation. It's important that the installers leave your home in good condition and properly dispose of any old windows or debris. Consider the type of windows offered. Not all window replacement companies carry the same selection of windows. Look for a company that offers a variety of window options that suit your home's needs, such as energy-efficient windows, to reduce your energy costs and increase home comfort. Impact-resistant windows, to protect your home from severe weather. Custom windows, for unique architectural designs or specific style preferences. A company with a broad range of window styles and materials will help you choose the best windows for your home, budget, and aesthetic preferences. Conclusion: choose the right window replacement company for your home. Choosing the best window replacement company in West Columbia can make all the difference in the outcome of your project. By doing thorough research, comparing quotes, checking for licensing and insurance, and evaluating the company's experience in customer service, you can ensure that your new windows are installed correctly, efficiently, and with long-lasting benefits. Whether you're updating your current windows or upgrading to energy-efficient options, taking the time to select the right company will help improve your home's comfort, appearance, and value.